Yeah, okay. This is going to be quick video number 2. This is an upgrade of a Penney AM base station from the 70s. We've removed the guts. I've installed a Cobra 148 chassis into this. Put a new power supply that could handle the current. And I've taken control of all the knobs of the original unit and the buttons. We've had a few hurdles. The first hurdle you always have to deal with these Frankenstein radios is the channel knob. You see the channel knob used to be right here. So first you got to extend that out over to the new channel position. And that's right here. Well, then the next challenge is you're going to have to extend the channel LED to a new location, and that's what you see going on here. So there's the new channel knob with the wires extended coming out here to the channel display. That will get mounted to the front panel here with a couple of meters. We'll be putting a frequency counter right here. Next video we show this guy, it should be pretty much there. Just to give you a better update of how this turned out. Until then, hope you enjoyed this video. See ya, 73s.